Welcome back to another video, everyone. Abandoning season 2 episode 3. Just in Sefton Park area today. I'm with the boys, Greybeard Media and Urbex. Just come across this little property here behind us. We believe it's known as the Normanton House because it's situated on Normanton Avenue here in Sefton Park. Looks like a pretty decent sized property. Let's run an intro, let's go and have a little investigation, have a mooch around, let's go. You don't want to be going in that room. You go to the floor. Yeah, no chance in that. not the safest of places to be in. I've got a chance walking on that. How you doing, Sydney? What colour have you been? Just be careful as you're going over onto that side, the ceiling looks like it's, yeah. Oh, it's big, isn't it? Massive. Very careful on that side because it looks like the ceiling is going to come in over there. Bloody huge. I wonder what this used to look like in its heyday. Take you're not chancing it then, mate. Yeah. Looks to be like the attic, that, does it go over into that little void there? Yeah. Let's have a bigotry look out the window. So high up. Yeah, just a quick one this. It was literally just on a path we passed. No research done on it. I've been yeah, oh my god, so these. Not today, mate. Not today. Yeah, front door there. The old boiler. Yeah, looks that way. And on we go. Now then, peeps. Yeah, so I'm back with the lads again today, everyone. Greybeard Media. And there's the Urbex. Just a little impromptu visit, this one, just on our travels we spotted it. So we thought I'd give you a little run through. So that's another one in the can there, guys. Episode 3, only a little short one today. Normanton House, we believe it's called, because it's on Normanton Avenue in Sefton Park. Just had a quick little mooch around, hope you liked it. I'm going to be moving on to the next one, but if, as always, you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe and sharing, commenting, all the good stuff. And on to the next one we go. I will see you in the next episode. Take care, guys. Bye for now.